over here in Tagaytay, about to go over to Taal Volcano finally. I think you might have seen a couple pictures by now, but you're about to see it now. It's going to be an hour hike. It's going to be crazy like our hats. Hope you enjoy.
On the boat, it was kind of exciting. The weather was amazing. It only cost us about like $40 for the whole tour, for the boat ride and everything. It was a little windy, so it was kind of knocking us around a little bit. As we got closer to Taal Volcano, the islands just started getting more beautiful. Once we reached the other side, the view of the mainland of Tagaytay was pretty beautiful. I could only imagine how great it would be once I get to the top.
So when we first got here, there's this guy that was trying to take our photo. We know he's trying to charge us because he's like, it's optional, it's optional. It's like, yeah, it's not free. They also offer horseback rides, but we're deciding to do a little exercise today. It's gonna be about an hour hike, so this is gonna be fun. Two things you gotta know on this trip is that you should bring some bug spray because there is a bunch of flies that'll be flying all around you. Luckily, I brought some. Another thing, I'm wearing sandals. Might be better to wear some shoes because there's a bunch of rocks and stuff that keep getting caught underneath my feet. This hike right here is reminding us of our old trip to Byers Peak. Y'all should check it out if y'all haven't seen it yet, but we have a lot more oxygen now, so it's not as intense. It is hot though. So we made it to our first resting stop. Babe needs a little break. How is it? How's it going so far?
I'm not prepared for this.
You heard it. She wasn't prepared. This lady right here is nice enough to stock up some drinks for everybody who comes up here. San Miguel can't go wrong. And we're off again. This time I got a little drink to go with me. I see all the poop. Watch out for the poop when you're hiking up here. A lot of horse poop. Okay, so we're more than halfway through this already. This was a lot easier than Byers Peak, I can say for sure. Babe is slowly dying. She's not fully dead, but she's still walking amongst us. I want to give out a shout out to Tyler and Kyle. Wish you guys were here. This would be another great adventure for us. Same with you, Colby. This next part of the volcano reminds me a lot of the hardest part of Byers Peak. Y'all are about to see why. This is going to be a fun hike.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift.
This is a really great hike, even for like beginners. It only took us about an hour and a half.
Are you okay? I like your chin strap. Say something. There's a lot of stores around here. They got plenty of water, plenty of beer, plenty of Gatorade. If you're running low or if you forgot to bring some, you'll be good out here. So here we are, made it to the top. Babe barely survived.
Thank God.
Yeah. It was a good workout for sure. Beautiful view, as you can tell. If y'all have happened to be in Tagaytay, y'all will see the volcano. Try to get over here if you can. There's a lot of different routes that we can take. Unfortunately, we can't go inside of it because the route we took takes us to the top of the volcano, not inside of it. So it's also the shortest one, so Babe probably would have died from the other one.
It probably would take like 3 hours. Like,
Probably about 3 hours.
If you want to go down there.
Right. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like it, leave a comment, let me know what I should do next. Don't forget to share it, and of course, always subscribe. Peace out, y'all. Since we finished our tour, they gave us complimentary coconut juice straight from the coconut itself. It's pretty cool.